how to Chi Sao without a partner. First of all, you cannot Chi Sao without a partner. You can't. Chi Sao is about energy and energy exchange between two people. So you can't. There's no way. However, in this video, I'm going to show you the positions of how to do it. So just remember, if you're looking to Chi Sao without a partner, you've got to understand that that just can't be done. Not really. You can do the movements just kind of like a form. You can do the form of Chi Sao, but you cannot do the action of Chi Sao.
How to do Chi Sao without a partner. How to do the positions of Chi Sao.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so those are the 4 positions of Chi Sao. Now you want to do that on the other side too. You want to make sure that this hand goes here, 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 and here. You'll find that you want to get good on both sides. However, let me talk a little bit more and explain some of the reasons for these and put it into context so that you can understand this further. Chi Sao includes the 3 main positions or techniques of Wing Chun. It includes a Bong Sao, okay? It includes a Phuc Sao. It includes a Tan Sao. Here, you're going to go ahead and get into a Bong Sao. A Bong Sao, you have your elbow higher than your wrist. Your shoulder is not up on the Bong Sao. You are turning your elbow up as much as you can. Now, as I do this, I'm also looking to engage my lat muscle so that my shoulder doesn't float around. We don't want that to float. We still want our elbow connected to our hips as we do it. So we have a bong, and then the other hand is going to be right about here, okay? This is going to be a Phuc Sao position. Some people call it by different names. I'm just going to refer to all of these as either Phuc, Tan, or Bong and keep it very simple. So right here we have forward energy. Now notice on my other elbow, my other arm, my elbow is in, okay? This elbow is up, and this elbow is as far in as I can get it. So that's position 1. I'm gonna go through 4 different positions, okay? Actually, it's 2 different positions with transitions in between, kind of like the seasons, right? You've got winter and summer, they're the opposites, and then you have spring and fall, which are the transitions in between that. So this is the Bong and the the Phuc Sao, okay? So this is position 1. Consider this, for simplicity's sake, catching of the ball or receiving, okay? So you now have the ball. So what I'm going to teach you is you have the ball, you're going to transition to sending the ball, and then you're going to pass the ball, and then you're going to then go ahead and transition back into the beginning part again. So we kind of start with where we have the ball, and then we'll go into, we have the ball, and then we go into an in-between position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Restart to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice that I'm trying to keep this elbow still. I don't want it flopping out, and that's a common thing. When we're doing Shong Chi Sao, which means double sticky hands, when we're doing that, it's very difficult to have one hand doing something here and another hand doing something different. We call it individuality. That's, it's different. It's difficult, but it's something that's developed. So again, we have 1, you have the ball. 2, you're getting ready to pass the ball. 3, you're passing the ball. 4, you're getting ready to go ahead and receive that ball again. Receive 1, getting ready to pass the ball. Here, getting ready to receive again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Get the motions on both sides. Wing Chun is all about balance. The yin and the yang, it's about balance. So you don't want to be just good on one side. You want to try to get your other side as good as your dominant side. There's a lot more to this drill. This is just the beginning of things, and when you're with a partner, man, it expands this. Chi Sao is an art in and of itself. I could do a week-long workshop just on Chi Sao. There's just so much to it. When you get with a partner, I can then help you to interact together, and there is a big interaction of energy exchange. You can't just move. This is not just a pattern that you go through. It is alive. When one person sends energy, the other person receives it. When another person gets ready to move, you guys are both transitioning together, and it's an energy exchange, and you're understanding how this works between two people. And it wakes you up into how to flow with one another. And then from there, you can even spar out of this, and you can do a number of different transitional drills out of this. There's all kinds of different things. This is actually referred to as Pun Sao or rolling hands. The rolling hands drill is what I'm teaching you here. Introducing my Wing Chun distance learning program at wingchunlessons.com. Designed to help those with a sincere interest to learn Wing Chun at home. Not everyone has access to a Wing Chun school or local instructor where they live. This Wing Chun home training program also gives you a chance to become certified and recognized under the Dragon Institute ranking system, which is a necessary first step for those who wish to become certified Wing Chun instructors. Read more at wingchunlessons.com.